Welcome to this tutorial on how to change the cleaning fee on Vrbo. As a host, it is essential to understand how to manage your cleaning fees to ensure you are covering the costs of cleaning and maintenance while also being competitive in the market. First, log into your Vrbo account and navigate to your dashboard. From there, click on the Manage Listings tab and select the property for which you want to change the cleaning fee. Once you are on the property page, click on the Pricing and Availability tab. Scroll down to the Cleaning Fee section, where you will see the current cleaning fee amount. To change the cleaning fee, click on the Edit button next to the current amount. Enter the new cleaning fee amount in the field provided, making sure to include any applicable taxes. It is crucial to consider your costs when determining your cleaning fee. This includes the cost of cleaning supplies, equipment, and labor. You should also research what other similar properties in your area are charging for cleaning fees to ensure you are competitive. After entering the new cleaning fee amount, click Save to update the fee. The new cleaning fee will be reflected on your listing and will apply to all future bookings. It is also essential to note that Vrbo allows you to set a one-time cleaning fee or a per-night cleaning fee. Choose the option that best suits your property and cleaning needs. Finally, review your listing to ensure the new cleaning fee is displayed correctly and make any necessary adjustments. By following these steps, you can easily change the cleaning fee on your Vrbo listing and ensure you are covering your cleaning costs while remaining competitive in the market. By understanding how to manage your cleaning fees, you can provide a better experience for your guests and increase your bookings and revenue. Remember to regularly review and adjust your cleaning fees as needed to ensure you are staying competitive and covering your costs.